Hey guys, Keith with Grayguns here. Today I'm going to show you how we install the P365 compensator system. In our kit, what you're going to get a modified barrel from True Precision. What we do is we cut a flat down here on the bottom, and what that helps us do is clock the compensator so that the compensator is square with your slide. Also in the kit, you're going to get your compensator, an indexing pin, Allen wrench, and a set screw. So what we're going to do first is we're going to install our barrel into the slide. We're going to dry fit our compensator onto the barrel. And we're going to screw it all the way down until it bottoms out. We're going to back that off until it's straight. We're going to try and seat the barrel. Notice how I cannot seat this barrel. So we're going to back the compensator off one more full turn. We're going to go ahead and seat the barrel again. And I can see, I'll hold it up to the light, look through the gaps, make sure you have no contact with the slide and the compensator. So upon looking, I do have just a little bit of contact, so I'm going to go ahead and back that off one more turn. Right there like that. I'm going to go ahead and hold that up again. I see that I have no contact. So what I did was I screwed the compensator all the way on and I backed it off one turn. All right, because that one's gonna give us a little bit of contact. Just double check one more time. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the compensator. After removing the compensator, I'm going to install our set screw. Just pre-install it just a little bit of the ways in. We're going to go through the bottom. Next, I'm going to take our indexing pin. On our indexing pin, we have a flat cut. That flat is going to push up on the bottom of the barrel and help clock your compensator. So I'm going to install that with the flat facing up. And we'll install it from the back side of the compensator into the little hole right there, making sure that the pin doesn't twist. Just like that. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take some Loctite. You're going to have a small vial of red Loctite supplied. We will apply the Loctite to the threads of the barrel. I will install the compensator. Back it off 2 turns. I'll seat the barrel, check my gaps, and then we will crank down on our set screw. I have no contact between the slide and the compensator. Now what you can do is you're gonna put this away, wait 24 hours, and let that Loctite set up and cure, and then take it out to the range and have fun. If you guys have any questions or concerns, give us a call, 888-585-4729, or an email, csr@grayguns.com. Thanks.